Meaning of Dr. Martens.
Dr. Martens.
Dr. Martens.
Dr. Martens.
Dr. Martens. Dr. Martens is a British footwear and clothing brand that is well known for its distinctive boots with a yellow stitching design. The brand was founded in the 1940s but gained widespread popularity in the 1960s as a symbol of rebellious subcultures like punk and goth. Dr. Martens has since become a fashion staple for both men and women, with an extensive range of products including shoes, sandals, bags, and accessories. The brand's iconic boots are characterized by their durable construction, comfortable fit, and distinctive design featuring 8 eyelets and a rubber sole.